Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stew pork. Brown the pork in a hot pan to seal juices and build depth. Use aromatic vegetables and herbs to create a rich base. Deglaze with stock or wine, then simmer gently until the meat is fork tender. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and seasoning at the end for a balanced, comforting stew the whole family will enjoy. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring everything out so cooking flows smoothly. Season the pork generously with salt and pepper before browning to build flavor. Sweat the vegetables to sweeten them and release aromatics into the pot. Add the pork back, pour in stock and any wine or tomato elements, and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook low and slow until the pork becomes tender and the sauce is glossy and reduced. Brown the pork in hot oil and work in batches to keep heat consistent. Deglaze with stock or wine, scraping up the fond to enrich the stew base. Add aromatics, return pork, and simmer gently for 5 to 2 hours until the meat is fork tender. If needed, thicken with a slurry or reduce uncovered to concentrate flavors. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of acid to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.